I'm assuming you know what this is, but you're going to be surprised that this guy knows that this is a Banneton basket, and this is part of a really cool kit. You came to this page looking for a sourdough kit, and you're trying to decide if this is the right kit for you, and I'm here to tell you, I know I only have one basket, there are 2 that come in the kit, and 100 other little tools that come with it. I just can't show them all to you, but I wanted to talk to you about the quality, the construction, how complete this kit is. Like, this is absolutely designed so you could get somebody, a newbie, right? So like, if my sister-in-law, her birthday's coming or whatever, and she's all into baking all of a sudden, I could absolutely get this, send it to her, and she has everything she needs right in front of her, right out of the box, to make some amazing sourdough. It looks like such a great project. I know it's an in thing. People are loving making sourdough, even still now, years and years after the COVID thing and everybody was making bread at home. It's still a super popular activity. So if you want to be able to give a gift to somebody of a complete kit, start to finish, so that they can make their own bread and just enjoy the baking process, watching the bread grow, watch it rise. It comes with a tape specially designed to measure it as it rises, and you know the right time to put it in the oven and turn it into that delicious bread. This is definitely the kit for you. I think it's great that it's a complete gift, like start to finish. I would definitely recommend it if that's what you're looking for.